What's up, everyone? If you're looking for the best drones to buy in 2026, whether you're a beginner, a content creator, or a professional filmmaker, you're in the right place. Today, I've put together the list of the top 5 best drones of 2026, covering everything from budget-friendly GPS drones to high-end professional camera drones. So make sure to watch till the end because the last drone on this list is an absolute beast. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE GPS Drone Fly More Combo. The Potensic Atom SE is one of the best lightweight GPS drones you can buy in 2026, especially if you want strong features without spending a fortune. 4K camera with EIS stabilization, under 249 grams, no registration required in many regions, up to 93 minutes total flight time with Fly More combo, 4km FPV transmission, brushless motors with max speed of 16 meters per second, 60-watt fast parallel charging hub included. In real-world use, the Atom SE delivers sharp and stable 4K video thanks to electronic image stabilization. The GPS is reliable, making features like return to home and stable hovering very beginner-friendly. It's compact, easy to travel with, and performs surprisingly well even in light wind. Pros: excellent battery life, lightweight and portable, stable GPS flight, great value for money. Cons: no mechanical gimbal, limited advanced tracking features. If you want a reliable beginner to intermediate drone, the Atom SE is a solid choice. Number 2. Potensic Atom 2 Fly More Combo. Next up is the Potensic Atom 2, a massive upgrade and one of the best sub-250-gram drones of 2026. 4K video and 8K photo capture, 3-axis mechanical gimbal, up to 96 minutes flight time, 10km video transmission, AI track, vertical shooting, and AI night shot. Under 249 grams lightweight design. This drone feels premium in every way. The 3-axis gimbal delivers incredibly smooth footage even during fast movements. AI tracking works well for vloggers and action shots, and vertical shooting makes it perfect for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikTok. Pros: excellent image stabilization, long-range transmission, advanced AI features, great for content creators. Cons: higher price than Atom SE. App has a slight learning curve. If you want pro-level features in a lightweight drone, the Atom 2 is a fantastic pick. Number 3. GPS Drone with Camera for Adults, Beginner-Friendly. This drone is designed for beginners and casual users who want GPS safety features at an affordable price. 4K camera, GPS with auto return home, brushless motor, follow me mode, 5G FPV transmission, under 250 grams. This drone is extremely easy to fly. The GPS keeps it stable, and features like Follow Me and One Key Return make it stress-free for new pilots. Image quality is decent for social media and casual recording. Pros: beginner-friendly controls, affordable price, GPS safety features, lightweight design. Cons: basic camera stabilization, shorter transmission range. Perfect for first-time drone users who want a safe and simple flying experience. Number 4. GPS Drone with EIS Camera and LCD Controller. This drone stands out thanks to its built-in LCD screen on the controller, making it super convenient. EIS Camera, 4.5-inch LCD screen on controller, AI track and orbit mode, GPS with Follow Me and auto return, brushless motor, under 249 grams. Not needing a smartphone is a huge plus. The LCD screen is bright and responsive, and flight stability is impressive for the price. Orbit and tracking modes work well for cinematic shots. Pros: controller with built-in screen, good GPS stability, easy setup, great for beginners. Cons: EIS instead of mechanical gimbal, average low light performance. A great choice if you want convenience and simplicity without using your phone. Number 5. DJI Mavic 4 Pro, best overall drone of 2026. Finally, we have the DJI Mavic 4 Pro, the undisputed king of drones in 2026. Flagship tri-camera system, 100 megapixel 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad main camera, up to 30 kilometer video transmission, 51-minute max flight time, DJI RC2 included, professional grade performance. This drone is built for professionals. The image quality is stunning, dynamic range is incredible, and flight performance is rock solid even in strong winds. Pros: best camera quality on the market, extremely long transmission range, long flight time, professional reliability. If budget is not an issue and you want the best drone money can buy, the Mavic 4 Pro is unbeatable. So, that wraps up our list of the top 5 best drones of 2026. All the product links are in the description below, so make sure to check them out. If this video helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and comment below which drone you'd choose. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.